Ayan o, video.
Welcome to Alician. Nakita ko na ang kapatid mo kanina. Nay.
Kami nakatambay na kanina eh, no?
Oo, mga kamukha niya.
Mga Pinoy dun eh. Sa ano, unahan.
Tagal din ng biyahe eh. 3 hours eh. Lagpas nga eh.
Isang minuto.
Lagpas yun eh, hindi naman 3 hours eh.
Pang naman 3 hours lang. 5 hours eh. Yung mga takbo din mga 120.
Yung 3 hours pa lang yung tuang pala yun, no? Doon, simula doon sa baba. Pakyat.
Scam.
Ang tagal.
Tayo tayo.
Round trip ticket for only 1,000 NT.
No.
No, doon.
Ako sa gilid.
Turista. Indonesia. Sige ba, ikaw naman magtawag na.
Hindi tayo sa masyal sa ano na sa konti pera natin. Uuwi tayo ka.
Ba't sabi nung kanina 200 yung bayad?
Ibang lane kasi yun, B.
Baka maraming ano yun napupuntahan.
So, yung
Ito green lang to eh. Shoutout sa Tide. Shoutout. Yung ba? ML pa more.
Hindi. Lagi talo eh.
这个是甜的，哪一个比较嫩？我要黄色的，找嫩一点。应该都一样的。兄弟。为什么？我要个玫瑰颜色。
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning. Oh, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back. Moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things. But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? Let's go! Hey! Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, oh. And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, oh. And we all got dreams, we all want things. But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Yo. Hingal na kami. B,
Grabe. Nalulula ako.
para kami umakyat sa bundok. Sobra kapagod.
Taas.
Para lang makita itong mga puno na to. Hirap pala pag celebrity yung puno. Hingal yarn. Ay, galing.
Grabe ang pag.
Pog, anong pag?
Pag nga.
Pog.
Pog. Pog.
Grabe ang pog. Nasa Baguio yarn. May nagsasayang lang yan.
Ang taas nga, hindi mo na makita eh. Oh.
Grabe naman.
Diba? Ano daw? Picture mo nga ako din.
Bawal mag-camping oh.
Ay, oo nga. I love you.